One of the sort of parts, or the important parts of what we do at Meatopia, is to ensure that all of the meat that's consumed, it's been farmed on small, less intensive farms. These are farmers, and these are businesses that care about what they're producing, you know, and they care about what we're eating, and a lot of them are here today to sort of see that whole process followed through right until that final point. We were sort of bombarded with the meat's not good for the environment, it's not good for the climate, it's not good for health. I think what we need to do as an event is that sentiment, is the fact that we all agree, you know, we can't last forever farming in the same way we've been farming, and the public are acknowledging that. We should acknowledge that, because we don't want to ignore meat, we don't want to sort of brush it under the carpet. We enjoy meat, and it's, you know, it's what we've grown up with. It's you know, it's part of how we live. I don't think that should be ignored. I think we should focus on making it the best we can make it in you know, the most humane, ethically and socially responsible way we can.